pay Temu with cash. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay Temu with cash. So all you have to do is just open your Temu account, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you're there, all you have to do is just put any product into your cart that you want to buy. For example, I want to buy these sneakers. So I'm just putting this particular product into my cart. Just select the shoe size, and after that just click on add to cart. Just select the color as well. And now as you can see that this product has been added into my cart. Now just simply click on your cart option and you will be redirected to your cart where you can see this particular product over here. And when you scroll down, you will see the option called save payment options, and in which you will see a payment methods. So in the payment method you have PayPal, Visa, Apple Pay, Venmo, Cash App and other options, but I could not see the cash on delivery option. On the checkout section as well, you won't be able to see the option called cash on delivery, where you will be able to see where you will be able to pay through cash. So in order to pay through cash, you just have to come back on your home screen, and after that just click on the U section from the bottom of the screen, and here from the top right hand side of your screen you will see the option called support. You just have to click on it, and now just click on payments and promos from the options and click on payments. You just have to simply click on contact us, and now just simply describe the Temu that you would like to have a cash on delivery option in your order. As soon as you send this particular message, the Temu team will respond to you immediately, and it will tell you that you can pay by a major credit and Temu credit, Apple Pay, PayPal, Cash App and other payment options, but they don't have a cash on delivery option available with them right now. So unfortunately you won't be able to pay through cash in your Temu account as of now. So I hope I'm able to answer your question regarding paying through cash in your Temu account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.